Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to Moose Tracks. So if you haven't noticed by the title of this video, we are in Ottawa right now. Now if you can see the buildings behind me, we are skating on the Rideau Canal, the longest skateway in the world. It's 7 kilometers one way, 14 back, of course, if my math is correct. And we plan on doing the whole thing today. So just sit back and enjoy the view. There's the Parliament building right there in front of me. There's the Chateau Laurier. And there's the canal. Here's a map of the Rideau. There's kilometer zero. And away we go. Over here on the left is where you can rent skates. I believe there's lockers in there as well that you can put your boots in. There's my nephew, Reed. There's Laura. You can see a lot of people just walk it. During the weekday, you see a lot of people skating to work with their suitcase in their hands and their three-piece suit, and they head to work on the Rideau Canal. I'm going to stop for a Beaver Tail now. So for those of you who've never had a beaver tail, this is a beaver tail. This one is cinnamon, but they come with all kinds of different flavors. Chocolate, maple butter is also very good. Are they good? We're at 3.2 kilometers. We're coming up to another rest stop, Beaver Tail, but we're going to keep going. 5-kilometer mark. There's the fleet of vehicles, tractors that maintain the ice. And we made it to the end. So it's actually 7.8, so that's what 15.6 kilometers return. Woohoo! Like your hair.
Thank you.
That's the TV place where the Ottawa Red Blacks play football, and I believe they also have soccer matches in there and other sports. If you ever wondered how they keep the ice clear, this is it. I'll catch you out later.
Oh, wow.
Okay, for those who haven't seen what maple taffy is on snow, I'll just show you real quick here. All right, we're on our final stretch. You see Chateau Laurier there in the distance. We're almost there. We got about 1 kilometer left before we get back to our starting point. Okay, we made it to the end, mile zero again. We have our skates off right now. We're just on the way to the ByWard Market, and we're gonna go grab a bite to eat. I'll show you around the ByWard Market a bit while we're there. Now there's a better view of the Chateau Laurier, and you see the Parliament building in the back there. Okay, we're in one of the restaurants inside the ByWard Market. I'm just going to show you the lineup of food that they have here. It's really good. Starts over here. different sandwiches. And then best of all, you have your desserts. And bakery. And then finally, I got to show you the famous Obama cookies. When he came to Ottawa, when he was in power. Just amazing selection. I'm just going to go show you, do a walkthrough of the market, just to show you around here a bit. They have different restaurants. Different countries, so you really have a good selection of food. Some of them are vacant here, but it's a sushi zone. You have the local artisans as well. ByWard Cafe here on the right, on the left hand side. It's a nice little shop here as well. Then you have the Rocky Mountain Chocolate Factory. Look at those. There's a balcony that overlooks the market down below. All right, so that concludes our trip to up to Ottawa and our skate on the Rideau Canal. So if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe down below if you haven't done so, and we will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.